In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Balsamiq project in just a few easy steps. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues or seeking feedback from a friend, sharing your work is a breeze. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. In the search bar, type Balsamiq and hit enter. You should see a list of results pop up. Look for the first one or directly navigate to the URL balsamiq.com. That's where you want to be. Once the website loads, locate the Login button. This is your gateway to accessing all of your saved projects securely. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. If this is your first time logging in on this device, make sure to have your credentials ready. Enter your email and password, and then click to proceed. If you've forgotten your password, you'll find an option to reset it right there. After successfully logging in, Balsamiq will direct you to your dashboard. Spend some time customizing your canvas if you need to make any last-minute changes. Once you're happy with your project and ready to share, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the Project menu. Click this menu, and a drop-down will appear. From the drop-down, you'll want to select Share Project or Project Members. This allows you to manage who can view or edit your work. A new window will appear where you can enter the necessary details to invite collaborators. In the box provided, type the email address or name of the person you want to invite. Ensure there are no typos, as this will affect whether they receive your invitation. Next, it's crucial to set the permissions correctly based on what you want the other person to do with your project. You have options here. You can give full editing access if you expect the person to make changes, or opt for a review-only permission level if you just need them to look things over and give you their thoughts. It's all about your specific collaboration needs, so choose the one that makes the most sense for your circumstances. With everything in place, the last step is to send off the invitation. Simply click Send. The invited person will receive an email notification containing all the information they need to access your Balsamiq project. And there you have it, a straightforward way to share your Balsamiq project with others. By following these steps, collaborating with teammates or gathering valuable feedback is easier than ever. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and happy working on your projects.